front, move past us. What we're looking at is our first roof of the week. You can hear the wind behind me. And what we're going to do on this roof is remove all of the old roofing material down to the original wood deck substrate. There's a 3-tab shingle. Right now we'll be able to walk all of the old shingles off the roof and onto the dump truck where we'll throw everything. And once we get down to the wood deck, we'll replace any rotted plywood and then put a synthetic felt underlayment over the entire deck. This is going to be our most complicated area today, this chimney. We're going to reflash the chimney, and it's right in the middle of a flat roof to slope roof transition, which makes it even more difficult. So we'll be reflashing the chimney, and then when we're all done, this will be a GAF Systems Plus warranty roof. It'll be 50-year non-prorated, and we'll definitely take our time around this chimney, and I'll upload another video when we're completely done.